gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fun-doozy day today. I've got a tremendously exciting double Hermes unboxing. But before we get into the unboxings, hi, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, go on, give them a like. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Yes, that's two, a double, doing the double, two Hermes unboxings. Now, technically speaking, both of these are pre-loved. Technically speaking, I bought one, and technically speaking, I was gifted one. So I'm going to start off by saying, and I know a lot of my friends here on the YouTubes, a lot of the handbag tribe, they will claim that they have the greatest subscribers in the world. But it's simply not true, because I have the greatest subscribers in the world. I would like to shout out Laura, thank you very much Laura, for sending me, gifting me this little Hermes piece in the sweetest way possible. And that will be unboxing number one. And then we'll get into unboxing number two, which is something I purchased from Meredith, my lovely friend Meredith of Living Lux with Meredith, from her vlog sale that was run by Connor of Conrad's Closet. So one piece came all the way from the US and another piece came all the way from Australia, and I am tremendously excited to share them both with you today. And I know I say I'm excited about these things every time, and long may that remain the case, because the minute that I'm not excited about any of these things is probably the minute I should be packing it all in. I shared with you recently my Hermes unboxing of this beautiful scarf. This is the parade scarf, and this was a purchase that was influenced by Meredith. She's got a lot to answer for, has that girl. And so I had bought this at Bond Street in London while the Lion and I were in London on our anniversary. So I'll have that unboxing linked down below. And as part of that unboxing, I also shared another piece I bought on the same day, which is this little scarf tie. And while I was sharing the unboxing, I mentioned that the client advisor told me that they didn't provide the knotting cards anymore. And one of my lovely subscribers, Laura, reached out to me and said, Gwenny, I have a spare set, would you like them? And so she sent me all the way from the US of A. She sent me this unopened pack of knotting cards. So on the front it just says knotting cards, upside down in English, Donsley Anglaise, and then carte and nœud, which presumably is just knotting cards, Donsley Francais. So she sent me this package with this little guy, this little cutie. Look at him! How fun is he? He's getting up to no good with the lemurs back here. I'm going to put him on. Oh, doesn't he go well with all of the black and rainbow colours on the Louis there? And then the package was sealed with a cute little card with a little note in it. And this, I really liked this. A little, I can't remember what you call these, but a little seal. There you go, a seal of a unicorn. Very, very sweet, very, very cute. Appreciated both of those little details. Just popping them on the floor. And in the box, we've got these cards. So in the Hermes orange, and I haven't opened them yet because I wanted you to see that they were indeed unopened. And now I'm wondering how I get into them. Please hold caller. Okay, that was pretty hairy. I had to use my box cutter thing to get in, and let's have a look. Oh, that's a lot of cards. Thank you, Laura. Ah, look. Right, okay, let's do just a quick flick through on some of these. Scarf idea, and then the instructions on how to do them on the back. Another one there, wearing it as a top. That's never going to happen for me, but if you are a tiny person, then you could do that. And we've got all of these options. I'm very, very excited to get into this. I was thinking about trying to do some of these on this video, but I thought it's all going to get too long and too hectic. So thank you, Laura. I really, really appreciate the kind thought, and I am delighted to have my own set of cards. And not only did Laura send me these in the post, but I was also sent PDF copies, and I'm trying to work out how I would be able to share them so everyone can have a set, but I don't know how I could make that happen because I don't have a website or anything. So maybe I'll try and upload them to Instagram and have one of the memory things. I can't remember what they're called. I've been very, very bad at Instagram lately. So thank you to those of you who have sent me the PDF copies as well. Okay, so Meredith did a vlog sale recently, and it was hosted by Connor and Meredith, but Connor was doing all the selling. And I joined it about 20 minutes in because it was I don't know what time it was, Australia time, but it was very late UK time. The Lion and I had watched a film. It was over the weekend. We went to bed. I got my phone out. I had a quick flick through, see what was what. And then I saw that the live was on. So I jumped on there. I was about 20 minutes in. And yeah, I ended up buying something from it. So this is how it arrived. It was boxed up, and I've got an Hermes box here. I've got a card here. From our closet to yours, we hope you enjoy your new item, the Conrad's Closet team. And I will have Conrad's Closet. I'll have Connor's YouTube channel and Meredith's YouTube channel linked down below, but I'll also link to Connor's Instagram. He has some very fabulous things on there, and he did write me a personal note which I can't share with you because I would likely get demonetized because of the profanity. But let me just say, it is positive and very welcome profanity. For you may not know this because I try and keep it clean on the YouTubes, but I have a potty mouth, and yeah, so Connor tuned in to my potty mouth with a little bit of potty mouth action of his own. That sounds so wrong. Anyway, I loved the note. I had to message him straight away. Okay, very, very excited. Tremendously excited. Very nervous. Ooh. And when I show you what I bought, and I will say this for Meredith, she doesn't try and fleece anyone when she has a vlog sale. She doesn't go, do you know what, I'm going to mark it up 10 times RRP or anything. That is a woman who genuinely just wants to move stuff on. Okay, so I've got ribbon. I've got a different flavour of ribbon. This is the Hermes 2019 ribbon. There's a little bit of bashing on the box, but to be honest, I wasn't expecting a box to come with it, so gratefully received. Now I am going to stop for a moment and just do this. That might be a thumbnail. I might not put them in the thumbnail, but we shall see. Oh dear, you're getting a bit of a stream of consciousness today. It feels like ages since I've actually filmed anything, been in front of the camera. Okay, here we go. I'm opening this up. Come on. Oh, bear with me, callers. The orange clashes quite nicely with my hair, doesn't it? Okay. I have never seen this in person. I saw it on the YouTubes and that was it. Oh! When I joined the live vlog sale, I was checking out the live chat because I always do, and I saw someone had commented about this particular item that is Gwenny-coded. That's a Gwenny-coded piece. And I went, oh, hold on. And it was something that had gone. So I stayed to the end of the vlog sale, and then I went back and restarted and I watched it, and I can't remember who it was who said it in the chat, but you are 100% correct. And I messaged Connor straight away. It was like midnight or something. I was knackered. I was barely keeping my eyes open, and said, I need that. And here it is. And it is so much more special because A, I don't really know what the pattern's going to be like. B, it came from Meredith, my lovely, lovely friend Meredith. OMG. Okay, the colours already. I did say when I unboxed this one that colours, yes, Hermes does colour, like colour saturation so well. It is a scarf. It is a silk scarf. It is a 90 centimetre, I believe. Oh, Gwenny-coded. Gwenny-coded. OMG. Okay, the colours. The colours. I will, of course, do cutaways again so you can see the whole thing. It's got yellow piping, like yellow edging. It's got a black background, which is exciting for me because I do like black. It's a great colour. And then it's got all these pinks and all of these greens. Right. I will... Oh my god. La sauce de Pegasus. Okay. It is a Pegasus design in these gorgeous greens, bright greens, hot pinks, light pinks. We've got ribbons, we've got suns, we've got flowers, we've got a tree, we've got people dancing. It is absolutely stunning. It is so vibrant. Look at how vibrant that is. Although a lot of the same kind of colours as in the robot scarf, they're so different as well. I love it. I love the horse. I do like horses. I'm not an equestrian, or I'm not in the equestrian world. I rode a tiny bit when I was a kid, but horses do scare me. I give them a healthy respect. If I am entirely honest, when I was a child, I wanted to be a Pegasus. I don't think I even knew that this was the design. I saw it. I took a blurry screenshot and I sent it to Connor and said, I need this. Is it available still? And he said, yes, it is yours, Gwenny. And yeah, amazing. So I've gone from having no Hermes scarves to 2 Hermes scarves in very quick succession. It's looking more and more like I'm going to have to get that scarf display system they do. And can you imagine the colours up against that wall? Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of a, just a little bit. Which side? I'm going to go this side. And as I said, I'll do, I'll try out the knotting options, the ones that I can do. And then I'll do that in another video. If you're interested, let me know. I wanted to wear a plain green t-shirt because I remembered it had green in it, and that was about it. Gwenny-coded indeed. Oh, I'm so delighted. It is so pretty. Fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. And I like that it's got a dark background. I'm pretty sure this would have come in multiple colourways with different coloured backgrounds, but this one suits me to a T. This one lends itself to wearage. It lends itself to be worn with my leather jacket. Yes, a little bit rock and roll and a little bit cool. And a lot beautiful, absolutely incredible. So we'll have cutaways. Hopefully you'll be able to see the scarf in a lot more detail there. Wow. Yeah, so that takes the Hermes count up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pieces. So clearly it's a Birkin next. Obvs, or a Kelly. That's how it works, right? You buy 1 or 2 things and then you just get the bags. Thank you, Connor, for responding to me so quickly when I said, can I have it? And thank you, Meredith, for selling such beautiful things. Can't wait to see what you've got coming up in the next vlog sale. And thank you, Laura, for sending me the cards, the amazing cards. We're going to have a lot of fun with those. And thank you, everyone who has commented on my scarf video, on my styling video, my recent styling video as well. Really, really appreciate all of your love and support. And I really enjoy playing and having fun with these things. Let me know what you think. Do you think this new scarf is indeed Gwenny-coded? Let me know if you're interested in seeing the sort of the knotting stuff. And until I see you, so giddy, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!